Good morning, children.
Good
Morning. How are you all? Fine? How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so children, we are learning now chapter 9. Chapter 9, fractions 2. So in chapter 9.1, we finished what? Do you remember? Fraction of a number. That we finished. Okay, fraction of a number. So to find the fraction of a number, what we will do? We will multiply the fraction and the number. Yes, half of 6. What you will do? Half into 6. So you'll get 3. Half of 10. So that is 5. So we have completed what? Fraction of a number. Now we going to start today 9.2 conversion of fractions. What's that? Conversion of fraction. So we learned fractions. In that we learned like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay. Who can tell me what is like fraction? Can you raise your hand and tell me? Yes, Ashwin. Like fraction?
Denominators are same.
Same denominator. Okay. And unlike means different denominator. Okay. Now who can tell me unit fraction? Unit. Yes, Gurijit. Say, unmute and say the answer.
Yes,
Unit.
ma'am.
Unit fraction.
One are called unit fraction.
One where in the numerator. Yes. If the numerator is 1. If the numerator is 1, we will say that is unit fraction. Understood? Now, equivalent fraction means fractions that denote the same part of a whole. Same part of a whole means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. When you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same numbers, you will get equivalent fractions. Okay, children. So we learned equivalent fractions. Unit fraction means the numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Like fraction, unlike fraction. So like fraction, we will check only the denominator. If the denominator are same, like fraction. Okay. So children, today we are going to learn proper fraction. Listen carefully. Proper. Proper means what? Proper fraction means the numerator will be less than denominator. Understood? Numerator is on the number on the top. Yes? Numerator is the number on the top. And that number on the top should be less than the denominator.
Ma'am, I have example. 4 by 5.
4 by 5. Very good. Okay, 4 by 5. 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So 4 by 5 is an example. Okay. Then improper will be what? Opposite. Numerator will be greater than denominator.
Ma'am, can I say example?
Wait, Christopher. First, let me explain what is improper. So proper means, children, you have to remember numerator is less than denominator. So improper means what? Improper means opposite. Numerator will be greater.
Greater with denominator.
Okay, so children, I will show you this here. 1 minute, please listen.
Can you share the board?
Okay, children. Nived, can you read? All others, please mute and listen carefully. Yes, Nived, can you see what is written? Conversion of fractions. Conversion of fractions. So this is chapter 9.2. So, okay, now.
Conversion of fraction.
Okay, now fractions having the numerator less than the denominator. Okay, Akshit, can you read? Can you see the board? Look at the board and read.
Fraction having the numerators less than the denominator are called
proper fractions. Numerator less than denominator. Okay, now look here. What is the numerator here? I will ask you. Let me see. Don't say together. I will ask one by one. Wait, Akshita. Ivana, can you see which is the numerator here? 2 by 6 is the fraction given. Okay, 2 by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the numerator here?
2.
2. And which is the denominator?
6.
6. Okay, Meka, can you say which is here less? Which number is less?
2.
2. So that means numerator is small. Yes, numerator is smaller than the denominator. So such fractions are called? Such fractions are called? Proper fractions. Proper fraction. Understood? So fractions having numerator less than the denominators are called proper. So for example, I show you one example. What is that example? 2 by 6. Okay. Now, Al-Sabah, can you say one example for proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
10 by 12.
10 by 12. Very good. Okay, here the numerator is small and the denominator is big. Okay, so children, now next I'm going to show you what is improper. Okay, improper. Fractions having the numerator less than the denominators, that is called proper. And here proper fraction. Here fractions having the denominator. Okay, fractions having the numerators greater than the denominators. What is that? Numerators greater than the denominator. It is called improper fractions. For example, 5 by 4. Here, which is the number? Who can say here? Let me ask. Let me see. I will ask. Yes, Leonel. Which is the numerator here? 5 by 4. It's given
5.
5. And what about denominator? Which is the denominator? 4. So here, which is the biggest number?
5.
5. So 5 by 4. 5 is greater than 4. So that means here numerator is greater than denominator. It is called improper fraction. Okay, understood? So what we learned, proper and improper. Okay, let me ask Parthasarathi. What is proper fraction? Yes, Partha? Proper. You can say in your own words, but the concept should be clear. Okay. Proper fraction. Yes, who can help Parthasarathi? Yes, Meka.
Ma'am,
Devdutt, wait.
fractions having the numerator. Yes. Ma'am, having the numerator. Yes. Ma'am, Krista can.
Wait. Yes, Ashwin, help Meka. Numerator.
Ma'am, the proper fraction is called numerator lesser than denominator are called.
Fractions having numerator less. Numerator. Don't think too much. Number on the top should be small. What is that number on the top? Numerator. Numerator should be smaller than the denominator. Yes, Christo. Yes, once again. What is proper fraction?
The numerator should be smaller than the denominator.
Very good. Okay, fractions having numerator smaller than denominator. Okay. Now, who can tell me? Yes, Al-Sabah, can you say what is a improper fraction?
Fractions having the numerator greater than the denominator.
Very good. Numerator is greater than denominator. Such fractions are called improper fraction. Okay, Rishikesh, can you tell me one example for proper fraction? Example. Unmute and speak. Yes, Rishikesh. Proper means numerator smaller than denominator. Yes. I cannot hear. Yes, Ryan. Can you say one example for proper fraction? Numerator should be smaller than the denominator. Yes.
3/4.
Very good. 3/4. Yes. Amal Fayaz, can you say one example for improper? Improper means what? Numerator greater than the denominator. Numerator greater than the denominator. Yes.
4/3.
4/3. Who was saying that? Devadatta. Yes, Amal, give me another example.
5/1.
5/1. 5/1 same as 5 only. Any number divided by 1. Okay, 5/1. 5 is greater than 1. Okay, so children, we learned what? Proper fraction, improper fraction. Now, Megha, can you say what is proper fraction?
Fraction having the numerator
Hmm.
lesser than the denominator.
Very good. Numerator less than the denominator. Understood now? Numerator less than denominator. It is called proper. Okay, Parthasarathi, are you there? Yes, Parthasarathi. Now say improper. Improper. Numerator.
Greater than.
Very good. Numerator greater than denominator. Very good. So those who were not answering me, they also understood. Now we are going to learn mixed fraction. Mixed. You heard about mixture, no? Mixture.
Yes.
You fond of eating mixture? You like mixture?
Yes.
Yes. In
Yes.
that mixture, what you can see? Many things. Yes.
Yes.
It is a combination of like many things, peanuts, everything like that. So here mixed fraction, we have one whole number and one proper fraction. Whole number, 1.5. How we will write 1.5? That is a mixed number.
Mama,
Okay, children? Wait. Mixed number means fractions having whole numbers and proper fraction. Look at the board. I will show you now.
Mami, wanna put
Okay,
only.
after that. Fractions.
Mami, wanna put only.
All of you, please listen carefully now. Yes, Ivana. Let's. Ivana, can you read the board? What is mixed fractions? Yes.
Fraction having whole numerate
Whole numbers.
whole numbers and,
And
proper
proper
fraction are called mixed fraction.
mixed fraction. Whole number and proper. See, look here. Which is the whole number here? 2. 2 and 1/7. 1/7 is a proper. We know what is proper. Proper means numerator small. See here 1 is smaller than 7. So 1/7 is proper fraction. And also we have one whole number. So 2 and 1/7 is an example for mixed fraction. Understood? What is mixed fraction? Fractions having whole numbers and whole 1 minute. Fractions having whole numbers and a proper fraction. It is called. Yeah. I will ask. Yes, Devadat and Christo, please wait. I will ask you. I told you I will ask you. If you want to speak, you can raise your hand. Listen carefully. So what is we are learning now? Mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Fractions having whole numbers and proper fraction. It is called mixed fraction. Okay, Christo, give me one example now.
2/2.
2/2. That is one number only. Where is the whole number?
my
And one proper. Yes, Devadat.
4/1/7.
4 and 1/7. Like, okay, you had don't say 4/7. 4 and 1/7. One whole number. What is the whole number here? 4 and 1/7. That is the proper fraction. Now, Christo, can you find out another example? One whole number and one proper fraction. When I say 2.5, 2.5, I have 2 full and one more half.
2 and 2/2. Ma'am, can I Sweet.
2 by 2. Okay, again 2 by 2 is coming. Okay. Proper fraction, Christo. 2 by 2 is, I cannot say to a proper. Numerator should be less than the denominator.
Then can
Yes.
I
Now, who, yes, Ashwin. Yes, Ashwin.
3 and
3 and
6 by
hmm. Very good. 3 and 6 by 10. 3 and 6 by 10. So here 3 is one whole number. 6 by 10 is another proper fraction. So one whole number and one proper fraction. It is mixed fraction. So children, I will show you from the beginning again one more time. We are going to, all of you please listen carefully. So fractions having numerators greater than the denominators are called. Yes, Randir, can you read what is given here? Randir.
fraction having the
Numerators
numerators greater than the denominators are
that is
called
improper fractions. Okay.
improper fractions.
Yes, Amaya. What is a improper fraction? Can you read again? Yes. Fractions.
Fractions having the numerators greater than the denominator are called improper fractions.
Okay, Ashwin. What is improper? Yes.
The fractions having the numerator greater than the denominators are called improper fractions.
Okay. For example, numerator should be greater. So 5 by 4 is an example for improper fraction. Now we learned mixed fraction, fractions having whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. And I show you one example. 2 and, see how we can write this whole number. It is like here, when we see here, it is 2. This 2 we can write here as a whole number. And 1 by 7, you have to write nearby. That is a proper fraction. So whole number and one proper fraction, it is called mixed fractions. Understood? So what are the things we learned today in conversion of fractions? 9.2. Let me ask one by one. Ashwin, let me ask one by one.
Fraction.
1 minute. So today in 9.2, we learned conversions of fractions. A Salsaba?
I didn't understand the fraction.
Yes?
I didn't understand the mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction means what? A whole number. What is a whole number? 3 is a whole number. 1, 2, everything is a whole number. So you have to write one whole number and one proper fraction. What is proper fraction?
The
Numerator?
numerators having
No need of having and all, no need of any grammar. I want you, if you understand the concept. Numerator and denominator. What is the relation? Which is small, which is big? Let me see.
will be less.
Numerator less. Only thing like that. Having, no need to make that sentence like grammatical. What you have to understand the concept. What is numerator smaller? Yes. So 1 by 7. For example, 1 by 7 is a proper fraction. When I write one whole number, 2 and 1 by 7, 2 and 1 by 7, that is a mixed fraction. In that mixed fraction, we have whole number and we have one proper fraction. So it is a combination. Mixed fraction means it is a combination of a whole number and one not improper, proper fraction. Understood?
Yes.
Can you give one example for, like if I say 1.5, I have one full, if I want to eat one chocolate, okay, I will eat one full chocolate, one chocolate and one half, one more half. So 1 and half. Understood? So I eat one full plus one proper fraction. Understood? So can you give me one example, Al-Sabah, for
Yes,
mixed
ma'am.
fraction?
3, 1 by
And
7,
3 and
1 by 7.
3 and 1 by 7. Okay, 3 and 1 by 7.
Can
That's
I
an
give
example.
an example?
Okay, Christo.
10 and
Mm. 10 and
2 by 8.
2 by 8.
Can
Very
I
good.
say?
10 and 1 by 2 by 8.
Can I
Yes,
say?
Gurujit. Yes, Gurujit.
10,
Ah,
1 by 8.
10
Ma'am,
1 by 8. Okay. Yes, Devdat. Yes, Devdat. Yes, fast.
2 and
Mm.
3 by 9.
Very good. 2 and 3 by 9. Okay. Now, children, all of you, please take out your workbook. Let me see whether you can do some questions. 2 and 1 by 8. 7 and 1 by 3. 10 and 4 by 6. Like that, many. If you say whole number and a proper fraction, that makes we have, which is that mixed fractions. Okay. Now, all of you, please take page number 30. 3030. Let me see whether we have time. I want to take the attendance. After 5 minutes, I will take the attendance. Okay. I will call one by one.
5 and 6 and 7 we want to do.
Wait. Please mute your audio. I will call one by one to read. Page number 30. Leonel, question number 1. Can you read? Page number 30, part 2, workbook. Who got the page can raise your hand. He's taking the book page. Yes, Amal Fayaz.
Question number
1. Yes, Leonel
Four-
can. Leon.
4
Amal,
by
wait.
6 plus
Ah.
4 by 6 plus 1 by 6.
4 by 6 plus 1 by 6 in the last. 5 by 6. Very good. In the
5 by
last chapter, we
6.
learned what is addition
by
and
6.
subtraction. Yes, we will
Ma'am,
add only the numerators. We will
so
add.
simple for saying.
Huh?
So simple.
So I will ask one by one. So simple, but it should be clear for me. So 5 by 6. So I was asking this question to Leonel. Leonel, can you tell me the option? Which is the option?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. All of you got that answer. To add and subtract it like fractions, what we will do? We will add only the numerators. So easy. Yes. Now question Nived, question number 2.
10 by 11.
Hmm.
10 by 11 minus 6 by 11.
Okay, very good. Easy. 10 minus 6 only we will do. What is 10 minus 6?
4.
4 by
11.
11. Very good. Which is option?
A.
Option A. Very good. Now, next question. Anthony. Question number 3. Anthony.
Ma'am, my 4th question finished.
Wait, Ashwin.
8 by 13 minus 2 by 13.
Very good. 8 minus 2 you had to do. 8 minus
6
2.
by
Then,
13.
6 by 13. So tell me option. Yes,
Option
Anthony.
D.
Option D. Very good. Option D. Children, I told you many times I am calling one by one. So you had to be wait for others' turn. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Ryan. Yes, Ryan.
Numerators of a proper fraction is denominator.
Proper fraction means numerator will be
Less.
less. Very good. Option
Less than B.
B. Understood, children? Proper fraction means the numerator will be less than the denominator. So option B. Very good. Okay. Question number 5. Ahian. Question number 5. That I will teach you.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the 5th question. Can I just
Yes, Ahian is reading. Ahian is reading. I cannot hear properly. Yes, Ashwin, read.
Yes, ma'am.
If the numerator is
Daily test is there.
no,
If
not today.
numerator is equal to the denominator,
Then the like fraction is an improper. Okay, children, listen carefully. Numerator and denominator, if they are equal, we will call it as improper. Improper. So it is option C, improper fraction. Okay, children. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, then the like fraction is an improper. Children, you know, if the numerator and denominator are same, 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1 full whole. So that is an improper fraction. Improper. Option C. Yes, Amal Fayaz, question number 6.
The fraction
2 and 4 by 9.
2 and 4 by 9 is dash fraction.
What is that fraction?
mixed.
Mixed fraction. Understood? Understood, Al-Sabah, how we can write that mixed fraction now? 2 and yes, 2 and 4 by 9. So, Amal, can you tell me in 2 and 4 by 9, which is the whole number? Which is the whole number? 2. Yes, very good. And which is the proper fraction?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. Very good. Okay. Question number 7 and 8. Do alone. Read and do alone.
When I finish.
Yes, yes. Yes. Now, Akshid, read question number 7.
This fraction have their numerator greater than their denominator.
Numerator is greater. So, what is that fraction?
Improper.
Improper. Very good. I am. Then you have to write proper. I am PRO. Write the spelling correctly. Improper. Improper fraction. Okay. Now, Al-Sabah, read question number 8. So question number 7 is improper because that numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, question number 8. Al-Sabah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Mixed fractions have a whole number and a proper fraction.
Very good. Mixed fraction have a whole number and
A
proper fraction. So children, mixed fractions have one whole number and a proper. Right here, proper fraction. Question number 8. Now we will do only till question number 8. All of you please say your attendance. Okay, I will call one by one. So those who have not completed till question number 8, read the questions and do it now. I will call one by one. Then you can say the attendance. Okay, here. Abel, if Abel is present, you can say Abel. Abel? Abel is there? Advaid? Yes, present. Agnes?
Yes.
Ahian? Yes. Al-Sabah? Present. Akmal?
No.
No. Akshid?
Present.
Present. Amal? Amalia? Amalia was present?
No, ma'am.
No. Before I saw, yes, Ameya?
Present, ma'am.
Anthony? Ashwin? Christo? Yes, yes. Devananda? What about Devananda? Yes?
No.
Devadatt? Devadatt.
Present, ma'am.
Daksh?
No.
Ivan? Ivan? Ivana is present. Yes. Faihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Faihan?
No.
Farhan?
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Present, ma'am. Faihan.
Faihan or Farhan?
Faihan.
Faihan. Okay. Gurujit? Yes.
Present.
Jibichan? No. Joseph Ivan? No. Mohammad Wazim?
Yes.
Present?
No.
Wazim?
No.
Kashinad? Kashinad? Yes, Kashinad?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Catherine?
No.
Lionel present. Megha
Yes, ma'am.
present. Yes. Then Muhammad Akil. Yes.
No.
Niranjana.
No, ma'am.
No. Nived present. Parthasarathi. Yes. Rendir. Rishikesh.
Ma'am,
Rayyan.
Farhan is present.
Ah, okay. Farhan is present. Zahra. What about Zahra?
No.
Okay. So children, I will send the notes. You have to read these proper, improper, mix and revise. And okay, revise well for the next class. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Yes. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye.
you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.